All right, here we go. We're back with Mike from Enviroscape LA.
And I want to talk a little bit about the fountain here. So a couple of interesting things. There was no electricity back here. Well, that doesn't stop us from not having a water feature. What we're doing is we're actually doing solar. So there's a solar panel right there below. You can see that. That is going to power a solar powered pump that we put underneath the statue here. And so we have the valve box where the pump is sitting in, and that's connected to the solar panels. So when the sun comes out, if it decides to come out today, you'll see that it's pulling water out of the basin here, and it's going to go into these pressure compensating drip irrigation emitters, and then it's going to give the appearance of a rain curtain. It's going to look really, really great. And what we're doing with this is obviously wood, but we're going to burn it. We're going to char it with a blowtorch, and then that'll turn it black, and then we'll put linseed oil to make it shiny so it'll look like metal. That's the give a metal-like appearance. And then we'll clean all this up and cover it with rock. We did put an autofill here so that anytime there's a lot of splash and it's a hot day, it'll automatically fill itself up and keep consistent, so the homeowner doesn't have to bring a hose out here every day and fill it up. Anyway, that's about it. That's all you need to know. Our next vid, we'll see her in action.